What is FBR integration? Why businesses in Pakistan need to send invoices to FBR via API? Sample FBR API documentation. Oracle APEX running in your browser. Your APEX application with invoice form FBR requires invoice data in specific JSON format. Authentication uses digital certificates. Response from FBR includes a UUID, IRN, QR code, etc. Sample JSON payload like invoice type, sale invoice, invoice date, July 18, 2025, seller and TNC NEC, 1,234,567,890,123 inches, seller business name, ABC Traders, seller address, Karachi, buyer and TNC NEC, 3,210,987,654,321 inches, buyer business name, XYZ buyer, total amount, 10000, tax amount, 1,500, items, item name, product A, quantity, 2, unit price, 4,000, tax rate, 15. Create a form report in APEX to capture invoice data. You need to capture data like buyer info, seller info, invoice date, line items. Invoice form created in Oracle APEX data saved into 2 tables. Invoice underscore master invoice underscore detail FBR requires SSL client certificate, PFX or JKS format. You must import this certificate into your Oracle wallet. Go to Oracle Wallet Manager, import certificate from FBR, create a wallet and add certificate chain, set the wallet path in Oracle DB, alter system set wallet underscore root =u01/app/oracle/admin/wallet, scope =SP file, restart DB and confirm wallet status, select from $wallet. Use PL/SQL to construct JSON from your invoice data, use APEX underscore JSON or JSON underscore object, functions. Declare L_JSON clob, begin select JSON underscore object, invoice type value sale invoice, invoice date, value to char, sys date, YMDD, seller TNC NIC value, 1234567890123, buyer and TNC NIC value, 32109876543321, total amount value 10000, items value, select JSON underscore array, JSON underscore object, item name value item underscore name, quantity value quantity, unit price value price. From invoice underscore detail where invoice underscore ID =P1 underscore invoice underscore ID into L_JSON from dual P1 underscore JSON underscore output =L_ JSON, end, show JSON output in a text area, use UTL underscore HTTP with proper SSL config to send JSON, alternatively use APEX web service, APEX underscore web underscore service dot make underscore rest underscore request, declare L_response clob, begin, L_response, =APEX underscore web underscore service dot make underscore rest underscore request, P underscore URL =, https://gw.fbr.gov.pk/imsp/v1/api/live/post data request, p_http_method post p_body p1_JSON_output p_wallet_path file/u01/app/oracle/admin/wallet p_content_type application JSON p1_response L_response end, show response received from FBR. Common errors, certificate issues, invalid JSON, invalid buyer NTN use DBMS_output or P1_error_MSG to show issues. How to parse response and save UUID or show error. Save UUID IRN QR code into invoice_master table for future reference. Update statement with FBR values. Use APEX or PL/SQL to generate QR code from FBR IRN or hash QR code on the printed invoice, using apex_util.get_print_document invoice. JSON. Send to FBR, get response. Save response. Oracle Wallet is the most sensitive step. JSON generation and testing are crucial. Like plus subscribe.